Hey, it's Jason Glover with Dad's That Cook. Today is unreal. Big Jim Modesitt, I call him Little Jim. Self-taught barbecue guru, really, actually, because he's won a ton of awards all over the place. He's got this special piece of meat that he's going to share with us here at Dad's That Cook that I'm flipped out about, and I can't believe you even got this thing.
A wonderful slice. Now,
a slice.
This is a A5 Japanese Wagyu beef, and this one is rated a 10 and a grade from 1 to 10 due to the marbling. You see the marbling that we have right here?
Right.
The marbling is perfect. We're looking at some wonderful, wonderful marbling in there, and I'm really excited to cook this for you.
So what makes it special?
Well, this cut of meat right here is based on a small group in Japan. I think they only have maybe 0.5% of the beef in the entire world. Wow. The beef is actually fed wonderful ingredients. The cows are actually massaged.
Are they really?
Yes, they are.
I thought you were kidding with me. I'm seriously got
spa. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Like they go in the hot tub and hang out and get massaged?
They're pampered.
Pampered.
Yes. This cut of meat is mouth-watering. It has a wonderful nutty flavor to it, and it's gonna be delicious.
I can't wait.
Oh, yes.
That's crazy, Jim. So this is a pure joy for me because I mean, come on, who eats Wagyu meat regularly ever? I think I've probably had it once or twice, but it's been like little small pieces of stuff, you know? And
look at that. What do you feel about that piece right there?
That's incredible. Oh my God.
See the marbling on there? It's just basically perfect, guys. This is a perfect 10 right here.
So Jim, what's the process? What are we doing? Let's get it going because I want to eat it.
Japanese Wagyu has so much marbling in here that we will not be cooking this on the grill itself.
Right.
By doing that, it's gonna create some flare-ups.
Yeah, just a charry, burnt kind of.
When I burn stuff, I say it's blackened.
Yeah, sure.
I have a cast iron plate here.
Yeah.
I set it on the barbecue. It's been sitting here for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so it's nice and hot.
400 or 500 degrees right now. I have the grill on high.
Good.
I have a little small piece of the Wagyu fat right here that I'm just going to put on here just to kind of give it a little bit of lubrication. Before we put on the Wagyu beef, I ended up bringing the steaks to room temperature.
Okay.
Okay, and that's a very important part.
Right.
Okay. What we want to do is actually taste the meat itself. Okay.
Right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to add some really nice kosher salt here.
Okay.
So I'm going to just lightly add a little salt on here, just like this. Okay. And the beauty of it, since we season one side like this, I'm going to take it and put my steak down like this, salt side down.
Listen to that.
Salt side down. A little more salt on this side right here, okay? What we're doing is actually we're going to be cooking the Wagyu beef not even more than 1.5 minutes per side, okay? Because we're going to want this medium rare minus.
I want it to sit.
Okay, and then we're going to let it sit a little bit.
Okay.
Take some fresh thyme, just a little of it.
Oh yeah, that smells good. Love the thyme.
So I'm going to tip this over just like that. Look at that.
Oh man.
You know how you can tell a steak whether it's medium rare, medium, or well done? What we do is actually, as a chef, I actually take my thumb right here, and you can take point on your thumb muscle. This is your rare, this is your medium rare, this is your medium, and this is your well done. So it actually gets a little bit firmer right here. So you have well done, medium, medium rare, and your rare. So I'm just going to do a little check right here. I'm actually pretty happy with the outcome on here. I'm going to give it a little tester right here. I'm very happy with that right now. That's about it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and put the steak just like this, right here, right here. That's a good looking steak right there.
That's really good, man.
I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more salt right here. I really like that flavor of the salt. Pinch of pepper. I'm gonna literally just do a light pinch just for the flavor profile to get some boldness in there. I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of butter.
Look at this thing, this masterpiece of loveliness.
So I'm gonna pair it with some grilled asparagus.
Okay.
And I'm gonna pair it with some roasted potatoes that we did on the grill earlier.
Great.
I'm gonna take the steak like this. Plate number 1 here.
Plate number
Steak number 2 here. And by the way, this is the one I wanted.
Oh my God.
Look at that right there.
It's unbelievable. I mean, this is incredible stuff.
Have some nice and warm asparagus, which is my favorite. I love asparagus this time of year.
Yeah.
5-star ribeye plate for a king.
This is awesome. So I think we should try it out.
Please.
Okay, let me give it a whirl. I'm gonna go right in here, Mr. Soft Spot.
Like butter?
Yeah, oh my God, look at this. Look at this.
So you can see all the way through. What we have there is some wonderful color in there. So, like I said, it's exactly medium rare minus right there. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
No, I'm serious. I've never had anything like that. All right, well, thanks for visiting us today, Dad's That Cook. You know, we've got the recipe. It's going to be online. Go check it out. But Big Jim's Barbecue right here. This guy's amazing. He's got the tricks. And we are so lucky that we got the Wagyu. So, anyway, we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook.
See you guys later.